everyone. Welcome aboard the Hershey's Chocolate Factory tour. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory.
It's the milk we make that's at the heart. The sweet inspiration from the very start. And you can taste the love.